Hi guys, I'm back. I'm Jessica of Explore Korea with Jessica and I'm an English tour guide. I will introduce 10장생, 10 symbols of longevity around the Queens area on this video. It consists of 교태전 and 자경전. 교태 literally means the harmony of yin and yang energy, so there is the man-made mound called 아미산 behind the 교태전 building. 아미산 chimney has 5 hexagonal chimneys decorated with 4 noble ones called 사군자 and 10 symbols of longevity called 10장생. Under the ground, there are 20 smoking paths from under of 교태전. Each chimney has 5 smoking paths. If you see this chimney, I think it might strike you of the mural. Also, above and below, amphibious animals, including the cranes, seems like protect 10 symbols of longevity. They all came from the nature, except one. What is your favorite thing among them? My one is the elixir plant. But sometimes people have chosen the other things they want. For example, grapes for being children, bats for living a little longer. Why don't we take a look a little closer at this chimney? 불가사리 is the name of this animal. Cranes, both sides, above, and het에 too. There is a Gyeongbokgung gate of Gyeongbokgung station, and I'm going to introduce one of the best restaurants around Gwanghwamun. Just follow me. I'll pass by the 세종 Cultural Center, 세종문화회관.